welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate shipment from carting screen in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the operation module. Here, we have to select the carting menu under the operation module. On this carting list page, we have to select the date range. Then we have to click the submit button. Here, we have to select the respective carting. Now, the carting details page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to click the Generate Shipment button to generate a shipment. Now, the shipment is generated. Here, we have to click the shipment number. Now, we can see the carting details under the shipment page. This is how to generate shipment from carting screen in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.